The Whydah Pirate Museum announced Wednesday that they had discovered the remains of at least 6 pirates who died in a 1717 shipwreck. The skeletal remains were found at the wreckage site of the Whydah, which sank off the coast of Wellfleet, Massachusetts in 1707. Barry Clifford, who in 1984 discovered the Whydah, the world's only authenticated pirate wreck, is examining the skeletal remains. "We hope that modern, cutting-edge technology will help us identify these pirates and reunite them with any descendants who could be out there," Clifford said. "This shipwreck is very sacred ground," Clifford said. "We know a third of the crew was of African origin, and the fact they had robbed the Whydah, which was a slave ship, presents them in a whole new." Their benevolent captain, the legendary Samuel Black Sam Bellamy, and crew were experimenting in democracy long before the so-called civilized societies had considered such a thing. The skeletons were found in several large concretions, CBS Boston. DNA of the ship's captain, Samuel Black Sam Bellamy, was tested against a human bone found in the wreck. That bone was identified as a human male with general ties to the eastern Mediterranean area, Whydah team member Casey Sherman said. "These newly found skeletal remains may finally lead us to Bellamy as we now have." The Daily Caller has reached out to the Whydah Pirate Museum but did not receive a response at the time of